Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.